Food has the power to tell stories, connect people, and travel across borders. Nowhere is this more evident than in Israeli cuisine, a flavorful mosaic shaped by centuries of migration, tradition, and innovation. From Tel Aviv's buzzing markets to street food stalls in New York, Israeli food has become a global star, loved for its freshness, diversity, and bold character. Israel is a land of cultural crossroads. Waves of immigrants brought flavors from North Africa, Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and the Mediterranean. As Israelis traveled abroad, they introduced this mix of traditions into the world's kitchens. Today, Israeli restaurants can be found in London, Berlin, Los Angeles, Sydney, and beyond, bringing with them both traditional flavors and modern twists. Falafel, crispy chickpea balls, crunchy on the outside and soft inside, now a worldwide vegetarian favorite. Hummus, a silky blend of chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, and lemon juice that's conquered menus from Europe to America. Shakshuka eggs poached in a rich tomato and pepper sauce, now a trendy brunch dish from Paris to Melbourne. Sabich, a pita stuffed with fried eggplant, hard-boiled eggs, salad, and tahini, beloved as an authentic street food. Israeli salad, fresh chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and parsley with lemon, now a symbol of freshness and healthy eating worldwide. Baklava and rugelach, sweet treats that mix Middle Eastern and Jewish traditions, enjoyed in bakeries far beyond Israel's borders. Camel kebab, a unique and rare specialty enjoyed in some desert communities. Grilled camel meat, richly spiced and smoky, has become a curious attraction for adventurous food tourists. Each dish is more than a meal. It's a fusion of stories, cultures, and identities.
Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
Camel kebab, a unique and rare specialty enjoyed in some desert communities. Grilled camel meat, richly spiced and smoky, has become a curious attraction for adventurous food tourists. Each dish is more than a meal. It's a fusion of stories, cultures, and identities. Israeli food is defined by freshness and balance. Think ripe tomatoes, olive oil, za'atar, sumac, and tahini. The flavors are bold yet simple, relying on herbs and spices to highlight natural ingredients. It's food that feels alive, colorful, vibrant, and deeply connected to the land and sea. Israel's long Mediterranean coastline makes it a paradise for seafood lovers. Tourists are often surprised by the variety. Denise, sea bream, grilled whole and served with lemon. Gray mullet from Jaffa, pan-fried with olive oil and herbs. Shrimp and calamari prepared Mediterranean style with garlic and parsley. Seafood meze platters along Tel Aviv's beachside restaurants, paired with local wines. Dining on seafood while watching the sunset over the Mediterranean is one of Israel's most memorable tourist experiences. Food tours through Jerusalem's Moshe Yehuda market, beach cafes in Tel Aviv, and desert dining experiences have become a key part of Israeli tourism. Visitors don't just eat, they learn the stories behind the dishes. And when they return home, they carry a taste of Israel with them, helping the cuisine spread even further. From falafel and hummus to camel kebabs and seaside seafood feasts, Israeli food is more than just delicious. It's a journey across cultures, a celebration of diversity, and an invitation to explore. Every bite is a story waiting to be shared.